everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with you. Glad to have you joining us. We are excited because we have two 10 by 20 inch canvases, and we're going to be doing two flip cups on these canvases using multiple colors. We have 16-ounce cups here, and we're going to be using the colors that I announced, the colors as I put them into the containers. This is the Blickrylic Titanium White. I'm just going to put a little bit of each color in. We need to have probably about, probably 8 ounces each. This is the Artist Loft Floetrol Black. We also have the Liquitex Basics Phythalocyanine. Let's see, it's called I can't get it right. I'm thinking it, and I can see it. It's a Phythalocyanine, something like that. Blue. Anyway. Putting a bit of that in there. Sorry about that. I can't even get that word right. It's a big one. It's not pronounced the way it looks. This is the Liquitex Basics Turquoise. A lot easier to say. Oh, we're wasting it. Let's get it in the cup. Blickrylic Raw Sienna. Then we have Liquitex Basics Argent Silver. We have Liquitex Basics Cerulean Blue. We have a combination of Mars Black by Blickrylic and the Titanium White by Blickrylic. Then we have some Artist Loft Metallic Blue. Ooh, it's a bit full. And Artist Loft Old Gold. Got those a bit full. Nonetheless, we will take and flip the canvas to make it easier since the cups are so full. That means just taking it here, putting the canvas on top in the center, holding it up like so, and flipping it. And we'll set that down for a moment here while we do the other one. Okay, and we're going to flip. Okay, we also have some big pins. We're going to see what happens when we pop a hole in the base. I'm going to direct this by sliding or tilting the canvas just a bit. It's really pretty. And then we're going to take and release. Okay, and now that's going to really make for a beautiful design, we hope. Looks pretty so far. We want to try and retain what we have here as best we can with making efforts to shift and tilt. Almost ready to go over the edge. We're going to pull back down, come this direction toward me, and turn it. We're dripping onto the other canvas. No, want to get this back off and over, back to the middle, and off to this edge. Okay, down there, really pretty. Oh my, that's looking cool. Keep that gold on there as much as we can. It looks like streaks of lightning there. Okay, let's just let this one come to rest for a few minutes here while we move over to the next canvas. And we will also take and puncture a hole in that. Give it a chance to release. And we're going to help to direct it a little bit, letting the cup go by itself as much as we can, and then we're going to help it out. Just tilting the canvas a little bit. Okay, and then we'll bring it back and release. So pretty. So pretty. Look inside there, that's beautiful. Another beauty. Okay, we're moving those aside, giving this a chance to fill in down here. That pretty green that's been created. And we want to shift back this direction as well, leaving opportunity for some of this to be retained here. See, we want to shift it around this side, this corner here. Oh, that's really pretty. This is going to be a beautiful diptych. That's 2 canvases. It's trying to hold on to that white there, but we'll get it in the middle, I think. Shift it back toward this way, towards me. And then we'll come over. That blue is really pretty there. Wish we could retain that. Let's try not to get any more drips on the other painting. See that we're doing that. Gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Oh my. And we'll see, we got it tilted back this way. Beautiful colors. The drips on this actually made it look nice. So I don't think I'm going to try to move those out of there. Wow. Those are 2 beautiful pieces. We are really, really proud of these 2. We'll put them together like so. The black did an amazing job with creating just enough contrast for us. So pretty. I'm very pleased with these. I'm going to remove my gloves and look to see that we have everything covered. Move these out the way here. See a couple corners here that we can spot touch. Alrighty. Okay. I think it's good. We have a few air bubbles and I'm a little tempted to try and pop, but sometimes it's better not to. Sometimes they leave white specks. This looks like it's pretty much allowing that to happen. We are getting these air bubbles popped. So beautiful. I'm very pleased with these. Makes me want to do them on a larger canvas now. Definitely we'll be trying this again. Okay guys, this is time for us to bring you in for a close-up to give you a chance to see how beautiful these colors have merged together and they've released into something absolutely beautiful. Okay, and they're gonna look totally gorgeous with a coat of resin. Wipe my hands off and we will be in for a close-up so you can get first-hand view of what we have here. And I'm just thinking this is going to be so pretty with a coat of resin. So, so pretty. Okay, let's do it. And you know what time it is. It's close-up time. Here we have our Diptych, the two 10 by 20 inch canvases in which we've done flip cups on, and look at the amazing color combinations, the shimmer and shine, the lacing, the streaks of lightning white through here, just gorgeous. Look at that drip. It had some nice iridescent color in it, so we left it there. It's got nice beautiful shimmer and shine. Love the lacing here. Oh my, these colors came together beautifully. Just gorgeous. The streak of blue from that dark, I don't know if that's the primary, actually that's the Cerulean, I can't say it, Phythalocyanine blue. I'm gonna get it right eventually. Anyway, look at these gorgeous colors. So pretty. That Argent silver on top of the black just really made it happen. There's the beautiful cells from the metallic blue as well. We ended up with a little bit of mint-like green in the middle here. Super pretty. Okay, and then we can come over to this one. Again, these both will receive a coat of resin once they are fully dried. I think they're going to look absolutely spectacular. Look at the shimmer and shine throughout. Those gorgeous cells. The Artist Loft Old Gold is really, really showing up here. Again, look at those cells with the rings around them. Super neat. Super, super pretty. Beautiful combination of color all the way through. Shimmer and shine on top, giving us a really awesome look. Nice flow of color throughout. I'm super proud, super pleased. I hope you are too, of our two 10 by 20 inch canvases. These are flip cups that have given us the abstract design, and we are so proud of what we have here. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, keep loving your art. We'll see you all on our next video upload. Bye now.